And you want me to take care of your lower jaw? Yes, we can do. Okay. There are two things that we will have to address. One is your width of the jaw is a little bit too much and it's short. So we will bring it forwards, we will reduce the width and increase the height. So it's going to be both horizontal and vertical, and reduction in the width of the chin a little bit. And it will be better if you can remove the beard off, so that we can precisely plan on the scans on the mock, and also it will be useful for the surgery.
Okay, I think that's fine. So does it have to be both lower and upper jaws?
No, only upper jaw is enough.
Only
Yeah. I don't think we need to do anything with the upper jaw. It's good.
So it's just lower jaw?
Yeah.
Both forward?
Yes. Mainly forward, and this width is too broad, so we can just reduce the width a little bit. Mainly bring it forwards and give it a much better proportion to your face.
Okay. Width as in this width here?
This width, yeah.
And the chin?
Yes.
Chin.
Chin is like really wide. Yeah.
That's
Can you smile? Yeah. You will not need any upper jaw surgery. If you want, we can do a little bit of a nose surgery, but no do any upper jaw, because your upper jaw is positioned well. This grooves, and this width, and the skin is a little bit loose here. So that can be tightened, and then the face gets a slightly, not that we're going to give you a pointy nose that doesn't suit your race, but just augment it a little bit so that the middle third gets better. When we do the chin now, I'm going to work up to the middle of the lower jaw. So what happens, your lower third of the face will get really nice now. Your face has got three parts: upper third, middle third, lower third. Right? So the lower third will get really good once you finish the genioplasty jaw sculpting for you. It's going to get very proportional, it's going to get fuller, its jawline is going to get really nice. But the upper middle third, there will be some, once you do this, you'll feel it more. So if you desire, instead of doing a jaw surgery, you don't need a jaw surgery in the upper jaw. Upper jaw is correct. It's perfect, yes.
Because I was worried about this from here to
that is not the problem, because otherwise, if I reduce that, then you'll have problems with your teeth. So we don't have to do that. That's just, there can be variation. Your lip is long, and it's also looking long because of the fact that the nasal proportion is a little not perfect, or you can improve that if you want.
Okay, so let's say maybe I can show you some pictures.
Sure.
So, can you see in this photo? I don't like this photo.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. This part, see, but that part is more visible because this is inside.
Okay.
It's a relative.
It's relative.
It's relative. If I take that part inside, you look older.
So it's better than like that.
Yes,
So
that's why instead of doing this, see, this has come forward.
Yeah.
So instead of taking this backward, I want to bring this forward and your nose forward.
Okay.
Because if I take this backwards, you're going to look older. I don't like that. Because when I take your bone behind, your skin is going to get more loose. It won't give you, you will not look nicer with that. So that's why it's not the best bet for you.
That's completely.
Yes. So I'm doing the lower for sure. The upper, the nose, or what I suggested to tighten the middle third, I'll write it down. If you're interested, you can talk to my executive and they will tell you the costing. If not, then just say I don't want.
No, I think I'll go with what you said. Your recommendations.
Yeah, I'll write my recommendations, but the costing for the recommendations, they let you know downstairs.
Okay.
And then you can talk to them, and if you find with them, you say okay, or you say no, I just want to do one, then that's also okay.
I think that's fine.
All right. And do you know when you're heading back to Zambia?
Because the person I was speaking to on WhatsApp told
Yeah.
me
Yeah.
the whole procedure is about 3 weeks.
That's a
So
lot of time.
I'm heading back on the 15th.
Perfect. That's a lot of time for us. So we can do the surgery. I can see you totally fine before you head back to your country. That's nice.
Okay. And then one other thing I also
Yeah.
also had a beard. Is it possible?
It's possible. It's possible because you take that long. We can do the beard also. But we won't do it in general anesthesia. We'll first do the surgery. We'll wait for 10 days, then we'll do your beard.
Okay.
All right. So इनको नीचे जाके blood test सब कुछ ready कराना इस वजह से भेजना है. I request you to have a clean shave so our staff can take one more set of pictures which will be useful for our morphing, and then they will do your blood test. You will see the anesthesiologist, and then you can talk the script for the costing, and then if everything is okay, we could do tomorrow. Yes.
Oh, and one more thing.
Sure.
Is it okay if this whole experience
It's not recorded.
Yeah, it's
You don't want it to be.
It can be recorded, but just not.
Okay,
do it
sure.
online.
Sure, we will do that as much as possible. Done. All right. ये लेके जाओ. हाँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी सर्जरी के लिए. ठीक है, बोला क्या? इनको लेके नीचे छोड़ के आना. हाँ.